Hi there! Welcome to MCSI. My name is Anna. In this video, I will demonstrate how the Google search engine can be used for open source intelligence. We have another video on our channel describing how search engines can be used for OSINT. I encourage you to watch that video before proceeding with this one. You can find the link to it in the description box below. Let's begin by performing a simple Google search. A search has been made for bear animal. You can see the various web pages identified by this search. Let's navigate into the first result. We will start with talking about the parts of a web page. Here, you can find the website's domain name, wikipedia.org. This is the entire URL for this web page. Here, on the Browser tab, you can find the title of the web page. This portion corresponds to the web page content. When we performed a Google search, the search engine simply looks across all indexed web pages on the internet for pages containing the words bear animal. This simple search operation works when we want to find generic information. When we want to perform specific searches, for example, search for all web pages containing information about the grizzly bear published in 2022. Then we can utilize search engine operators. Are you wondering what they are? I will tell you. Search engine operators are keywords specific to a search engine that help you filter search results based on values like the domain name, web page title, or web URL. The operators shown here are available for use with the Google search engine. Each operator has the keyword followed by a colon. Here is an example where a simple search engine operator was used. A search has been made for the word elephant. The cite operator has been used to indicate that only web pages from wikipedia.org must be displayed. We can see that all the search results are from Wikipedia. These custom search queries are also referred to as Google Dorks. They are extremely useful in open source intelligence when you are investigating a specific target. You can filter search results to view web pages only from a particular domain, pages indexed in a specific year, pages with a keyword in the title or URL, and even old versions of a website. To know more about Google search engine operators, I invite you to read these articles in our library. You will find the link to them in the description box below. Now I will demonstrate how we can combine the various search engine operators for OSINT activities. You have been tasked to research about NASA's Artemis mission. When you perform a search using the keyword Artemis, you will see generic results about the Greek god with the same name and about NASA's mission. Let's filter the search to display results only from NASA's website. We will use the cite filter for this. Now we can view only results from NASA's website about Artemis. To view information about the program, we will use the phrase Artemis program in the search. This query will display results that have the words Artemis and program anywhere on a web page. If we want to view web pages where the two words appear consecutively, then we can place them with double quotes like this. Now, when we run the search, we can view only web pages from NASA's site that has the keyword Artemis program. To view files on NASA's site, you can use the file type filter followed by the file extension. First, we will view all the Word documents available. Then we can view all the Excel files available. There is one result. Now, let's see how many PDF files are available. It looks like there are over 1,000 results. We want to only view documents specific to the Artemis mission. We will use the entitle operator with the keyword mission. Now we can view about 25 results about NASA's Artemis mission. They appear to be research papers. During an OSINT investigation, when you are looking for something specific, build your search query step by step. In some cases, looking for something very specific may not return any results. But if you build your query in stages, then it will be easier to alter the query to return better search results. Let's try another one. Loki is the name of a malware family and also the name of a software used for logging purposes. However, Loki is quite a common name. When you perform a search for Loki, you can see results relevant to the Nordic God and TD series. To view results that correspond only to Loki malware and Loki software, we can use the keyword "and". You can also utilize the "or" keyword in your query. Bitbucket is a website used to host code repositories. When code is uploaded to a repository, the privacy settings for it must be configured. Sometimes, uploaders mistakenly host a repository with public access. The repository may contain passwords or other critical credentials like SSH keys and API keys that can be misused by hackers. We can use Google Dorks to identify public Bitbucket repositories that host sensitive information. Here, we will specify the site operator to display results only from Bitbucket. Then we will specify the search term as admin password within quotes. We have about 6 results. Let's try another one, this time for the term user pass. We have about 9 results. If you are assisting in a red teaming engagement, you can utilize Google Dorks like this to identify publicly available sensitive information. Any data that is available to an OSINT professional is also available to hackers. Let's say you want to view all the podcasts Discovery Channel has made about sharks in the past year. A Google search with the words Discovery, podcast, and sharks returns a large number of results across multiple websites. Now, I will tell you about a tool called Advangle that you can utilize to construct search engine queries. To view only the podcasts on Discovery Channel's website, we will first use the domain filter to indicate the website name. Here, you can see the query as it is being constructed. Advangle constructs queries for Google and Bing search engines. We will use the title filter to indicate that we want to find web pages that contain the word podcast in their title. A web page must contain the word sharks. We will utilize the date published filter to display only the results from the past year. Here is our fully constructed query. Currently, the query does not contain any operators to indicate that only results from the past year must be displayed. However, when we click on Open button, we can view results from the past year. Using search engine operators has reduced the number of results displayed. We have successfully used Advangle to create a complex Google search engine query and viewed the filtered results. I hope you have a good idea now about how Google search engine can be used for open source intelligence. Here is a project idea for you. Oxford is the name of a city in England and a city in the US state of Mississippi. It is also the name of a university in England and its Associated Press company. Create Google search queries using operators to identify Oxford Press Company's open access research papers on public health infrastructure. I am sure you will have some interesting findings. If you liked this video, please hit like and share this video on social media. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more videos like this one. Join our online community of students learning useful cybersecurity skills if you haven't already. To register for a free account right away, go to our website. Happy learning and see you soon!